Good morning, everyone. I thought I would show you one of the tools that we are using with our soon-to-be kindergartner. He's in preschool right now to help get him ready and work on some things that he will be doing in kindergarten, hopefully, this fall. So this is a tool that we use, but there is a free option now available also. So I will post the link to that in the comments when I'm all done here. So this is called the Learning Palette. It comes with all these little marker things. This is the kindergartner starter set for math. So it has directions to help you figure it out. But basically it's got these 12 cards in here. And you look at, let me put this one right here. You look at this pattern, triangle, square, triangle, and you're matching the pattern. So where is triangle, square, triangle? And you put that shape, open green, right there. Then you find the next one, and you're matching patterns, and in this case also letters, BCC, and then you go through and you complete the whole thing. Then when you're all done, this is something that you don't have to really supervise because it is self-correcting. So it's got this little pin on the bottom to make sure you put the card back in the right spot. And look, there's open green matching and purple matching. So we have done it correctly. So there's that one. There's sequencing and numbers. You're finding out which number is missing. So there's a 1. Where's the 2? And you're matching up the colors. So that would be number 2, blue. Where is my blue? Number 2. And you flip it over to see if you were right when you're all done, of course. And look, there it is. Number 2 was missing there. So it's all sorts of games, tally marks, lots of patterns, things that we'll be working on in kindergarten, order of events. So if you're starting with number 1, 2, 3, which one happens first? You have an apple, then you take a bite, then you are down to the core. So lots of things to work on there. So this is something that we're doing with our almost kindergartner. There are this one also. This is sold separately, individually, or you can buy a large set. So this is consonants. So this is working on his letters. So S is for scissors, M is for mailbox, T is for toes, and you match those all up. So that is one of the things that we're working on. Just wanted to show you that tool real quick. And as soon as I close this off, then I will post in the comments the link, because Learning Palette Online is an option now, and they are doing 60 days free. You don't have to input any credit card information. You can just sign up and your kid can work on it online if you do not want to have the hands-on version. All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time.